If you want to enable Samsung DeX on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE by using a cable, then in that case most likely you need to have some sort of adapter that converts USB-C into HDMI, because you will have to use that cable to connect to TV, unless your TV actually supports an input, a USB-C input. Then in that case you can use the same cable that you use for charging, most likely. But most of the time, you actually need to have an adapter. Of course, adapters can be found, for example, on Amazon or similar websites. And if you manage to get the adapter and you manage to connect to your display, then in that case, you want to go to connected devices in the settings, and then over here, open Samsung DeX, and you should be able to press this connected display option. And then you can turn your Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE into a mouse that you can use on your other device. You can also try to connect wirelessly. Remember that there is also an option to do this without any cables, so you can give it a try if you can find your device on this list. But of course, some devices won't be detected over here. They might not be compatible wirelessly, so you will actually have to use the cable. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.